Good morning, everybody. It's Chris with Dude Where's My Cologne with Sunday's layering combination. When I came up with this combination a few days ago, I've been looking forward to wearing it ever since. It's got two of my favorite fragrances layered together that creates just this sweet gourmand floral fragrance. It's just amazing. So we're going to start with From Huda Beauty, we're going to go with Easy Bake Intense. Nice presentation, frosted glass bottle. Doesn't have the name anywhere on the bottle, which is interesting, except for the bottom, label. Has the Huda Beauty on the cap, but other than that, there's no name on the bottle. So we're going to start with this as our base. This is a super sweet fragrance. So this is Easy Bake Intense, the newest version from Huda Beauty. It's a floral, fruity gourmand fragrance. It's marketed as unisex, but leans feminine because of the gourmand aspects and the sweetness of it. It's got top notes of cherry. Middle notes are white flowers, cinnamon, caramel and milk, and a base note of vanilla. So this isn't really cherry forward, but you detect that sweet cherry on up top, but it's hard to describe unless you smell it. It's just a straight gourmand, really pleasing sweet fragrance. Very lactonic, don't get a lot of cinnamon. It's really mostly a sweet floral gourmand. I mean, that's the best way to describe it, with the milk notes and the vanilla notes. That's what gives it that baking feeling to it. So we're going to start off with that. That's Easy Bake Intense. And then we're going to go with maybe my favorite niche fragrance that I own. I got the original. This is 100 Silent Ways X. I have the original, and that's what started my love with Tuberose, is the original 100 Silent Ways. So this is 100 Silent Ways X. The X fragrances were to celebrate Nishane's 10-year anniversary. So it takes the original DNA, boosts it, gives a little bit of a twist on it. So this is, like I said, 100 Silent Ways X from Nishane. It's again a unisex fragrance. It's very floral though. Top notes are peach, tuberose, and mandarin, orange. Middle notes are Gardenia, jasmine, iris, and heliotrope. Base notes are leather, vanilla, and patchouli. And it's the standard Nishane X bottles. I love this stuff. This is, like I said, this line started my love with Tuberose. That still goes on to today. So layering both these together, you create a sweet and floral vanilla foundation, and then they blend well together. Easy Bake adds this cherry and cinnamon, creamy caramel, milky lactonic gourmand effect, while the 100 Silent Ways brings in this slightly fruity but white floral heavy patchouli and a subtle leather note to make it feel a little bit more masculine. But both these definitely lean feminine, but they're both amazing fragrances in their own right. Together, it's just amazing. It smells so good together. So good on their own, but so good together. But this is Easy Bake Intense and 100 Silent Ways X from Nishane. So give both of these a try. Give them a try together. If you love fruity floral gourmands, you're going to love both of these. So that's it for the layering. Let's get on today's Bible verse. It's a simple one to understand. It's from Psalm 149:4. It says, "For the Lord takes delight in his people. He crowns the humble with salvation." I mean, this is a simple one. God is happy with you. He loves people who are humble. He saves those who trust in him. That's the most important part. You can apply this in your life just by being kind and humble today and every day. Remember that God cares for you, and find joy in his love that he has for you. There's nothing else like it in this world. So that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. I hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed week. And we're going to see you in the next video. See ya.